Hey, what's up everyone, it's Kyle, and today we're going to talk about some very exciting news concerning The Witcher Netflix Season 2. As we know, The Witcher Season 2's production was halted due to coronavirus, affecting not only The Witcher and Netflix, but many other movie and TV show productions around the world. However, last week, The Witcher Netflix announced in a post on Twitter that after months of being apart that the production team, actors, and showrunners would be getting back together on August 17th. This is absolutely fantastic news as it takes months to film, edit, and get everything all neatly tied together. Finally, we get a great piece of positive news that we've desperately needed with so much going on in the world right now. Now, The Witcher Season 2 was originally slated to come back in early 2021 in January or February, but this was the projection before the pandemic happened and they have fallen 3 to 4 months behind schedule because of COVID-19. It's safe to assume if everything goes well and they do start production and filming back on August 17th, that The Witcher could come back in, say, perhaps late March or April of 2021. 3 months is a pretty big deal in the movie and TV industry because of all the editing that is required in post-production by the VFX teams and the adding in of the soundtrack. This is good news for all of us Witcher fans who desperately want a second season as soon as possible. One thing that can be seen as a positive during all of this craziness is that they can have virtual meetings and get as organized as possible. The showrunners, production team, writers' room, and actors and actresses I'm sure are using this downtime as an opportunity to get extra prepared to work on Season 2. Lauren Hitzrich, one of the showrunners of The Witcher, recently had an interview with The Wrap where she said that despite the scripts being done, that this pause had been an opportunity for the writers to take more time and polish the scripts. We've just been honing a lot over the last 8 weeks, really digging back into the scripts, making some big shifts, especially in the emotional journeys of our characters, and making sure that everything we're writing feels really grounded and true. Personally, I felt like that was one of the highlights of Season 1 with how the emotional beats of the story landed and felt organic. This is especially important with an engrossing fantasy epic such as The Witcher, where we have multiple POVs and timelines that we feel what's happening feels real and believable. Lauren also took the opportunity to talk about the new Witchers that will be appearing and giving some insight into what will be happening with the timelines in Season 2. What we'll see in Season 2 is that all of our characters are existing on the same timeline. What that allows us to do story-wise though is to play with the time in slightly different ways. We get to do flashbacks, we get to do flash forwards, and we get to integrate time in a completely different way that we weren't able to do in Season 1. Personally, I can't wait to see if they include some flashbacks to Geralt's early life with the Trial of the Grasses, his relationship with Vesemir, and growing up with the other Witchers. I think that Season 2 could do something really fun and interesting in giving us a version of Geralt where he becomes a storyteller and teaches Ciri about his past, bringing them closer together. One thing that is also very interesting is that Ciri and Geralt will be traveling on the road to Kaer Morhen, trying to evade people like Cahir and Fringilla and avoid being captured by Nilfgaard, who is at war with the other nations of the Witcherverse. We can't forget that Nilfgaard was defeated by the Lodge of Sorceresses at the Battle of Sodden, and now Cahir and Fringilla are in the difficult position of having to report back to the Emperor of Nilfgaard, the White Flame, saying that they failed their mission, and trust me, he won't like that very much at all. Sometimes, unfortunately, delays can be a bad thing. However, I think that this could be a blessing in disguise, as they now have an opportunity to really polish the scripts and make sure that Season 2 of The Witcher is even better and more exciting than Season 1. What are your thoughts about this news? Are you excited that The Witcher Netflix production is returning on August 17th? Let me know if you're excited about this piece of positive news in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. There's lots of more upcoming Witcher Netflix videos, Witcher book content, and also The Witcher 3 The Wild Hunt streams coming in the near future. I do also have a Witcher podcast with Aziz from History of Westeros YouTube and Mikhail from Vassals of Kingsgrave YouTube called The Podcast of Surprise. We currently have 4 episodes up on Anchor, our sponsors, with 2 more upcoming in the next couple of weeks. If you're interested in checking out our awesome Witcher podcast, you can check out the links in the description of this video. And of course, a big thank you to all my patrons on Patreon. Thank you for making all of these videos possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Toss a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, Toss a like on this video and join the community.